Hi, so I want you guys to get the Tab Resize extension on your computer. This will allow you to see two windows on your computer side by side at the same time. For example, you could see the window for your Google Meet and see everybody in the Google Meet on one side of the computer screen, and you can see the Pear Deck presentation, what's being presented on the right side of the computer screen. So to do this, you are going to click on the link that is at the top of the page, and this is going to take you to the Chrome Web Store, and it's going to take you right to the Tab Resize extension right here. You're going to click Add to Chrome, and then click Add Extension. You'll notice that in the top right of your screen, you have a new extension up here called Tab Resize. And I'm going to close this box. For me, that extension disappears. For you, it might not. If it does disappear, what I do is I go to my extensions, which is this grayed out puzzle piece. And then I find the Tab Resize, which for me is all the way down here because I have a bunch of extensions. And I'm going to pin it, like click on the little thumbtack, and that makes it appear up at the top again. Now I can close out of the Chrome Web Store. So that's not necessary anymore, and I'm ready to use the extension. I want to split my screen, resize my two tabs so that I can see my Google Meet on the left side and my Pear Deck on the right side of the screen. In order to do this, you have to make sure the tabs at the top of your screen are arranged in the correct order. What is important to do is make sure that the two tabs that you want to split the screen with are right next to each other, which in my case, they are. I'm going to move them out of the way a little bit so you can see them better. So here's my Meet tab, and I'm going to pull my Pear Deck tab right next to it. Now, this is where things get a little tricky. If I want to split the screen, whatever tab I'm on, so right now I'm on the Pear Deck tab, whatever tab I'm on, it's going to now split the screen with the tab to the right. And if you look at the tab to the right, that's actually my attendance tab. I don't want to split the screen with my attendance tab. So I'm going to click on my Google Meet tab because I want to split the screen with the tab to the right of it, which is Pear Deck. So now I click on my extension, my Tab Resize extension. And if this pops up, just click I understand and let's go. These are some different configurations of how you can lay out your screen. I prefer the left to right. It's showing me that my Google Meet, see the icon for Google Meet, is going to be on the left. My Pear Deck is going to be on the right. See the icon for Pear Deck. So I'm going to select that. Oops, not that. Oops. Let me try that again. I'm going to select this layout. And notice Google Meet's on the left, Pear Deck's on the right. And so I can follow along with what's going on in both of those, including if I ask you to participate in the chat, you can still participate in the chat while also keeping your eye on the Pear Deck. So hopefully that wasn't too confusing. Good luck.